Here are 10 inventions that come from Sweden. Alfred Nobel, a Swedish chemist, engineer and inventor, is credited with inventing dynamite in 1867. The first implantable pacemaker was invented in 1958 by Rune Enquist, a Swedish physician, and Åke Senning, a Swedish surgeon. Johan Petter Johansson, a Swedish inventor, created the adjustable wrench skiftnyckel in 1892. This tool allows the jaw width to be adjusted to fit various sizes of nuts and bolts. Swedish chemist Gustav Erik Pasch invented tändstickan, the safety match, in 1844. In the 1950s, Swedish engineer and businessman Ruben Rausing co-founded Tetra Pak, a company that pioneered a revolutionary method of packaging liquids in cartons. The concept of kullag, or ball bearings, was developed by Swedish engineer Sven Winqvist in 1907. Nils Bohlin, a Swedish engineer working for Volvo, invented trepunktsbältet, the three-point seatbelt, in 1959, which became a standard safety feature in cars worldwide. The Bluetooth wireless technology was developed in the 1990s by Swedish telecommunications company Ericsson. In 1992, Håkan Lans patented a GPS navigation system to avoid vessels from colliding. This is now the world standard in the flight industry. Although the founders of Skype were from Denmark and Estonia, Niklas Zennström and Janus Friis, two Swedish entrepreneurs, played a crucial role in the early development of the popular internet communications platform. And of course, there are more than this. Thanks for watching.